Yeah, I want to do a video of my long 350 tractor. Got a guy that might be willing to trade on the truck camper. So this tractor, I've had it. It was my father-in-law's. I've had it for quite some time after he passed away, and I'm not using it. I do have the Kubota. And right over here is it's a 5-foot box blade. I won't let go with the tractor. So I haven't cranked it in a few weeks. As a matter of fact, last time I cranked it is when I brought it here. So I do keep it under a cover. Rear tires are new. I think he put these on here right before he passed away. They are 28s. 3-cylinder diesel engine. Front tires are good on it. Grill got broke on it, so I had to make a new grill for it. The front bumper was all twisted up, so I just took it off. And it hasn't been run. You can see it's dead cold, so it's actually a cold start. I fixed the electrical system on it where the battery would charge. It does have rear hydraulics. Brakes, clutch, and everything work good. So it's got this is the kill. You push it in. And then it's got a fuel system right here. Make sure it's on. And turn on the key. Everything lights up. So and this is, of course, throttle, brakes. Let's see, I guess it's 6 gears. Yeah, 6 gears, high and low. So and then this works the PTO. This lever here is for the hydraulics on the aux hydraulics. This is the hydraulic lift. So I got the key on. I'm ready to start. Now in the winter time it does start slower. Built the cover for it, and I'm not real happy with it. It does have a spring adjustable seat on it, but it's all froze up. This is the rear hydraulics, PTO, drawbar. Never had any trouble at all out of the engine. It has got new fuel filters on it. You can see tires are good. Oh yeah, I just had the radiator cleaned on it too. Rear hydraulics. So that controls the cylinder in and out. Serial number, Branson Long Tractor, 35 horsepower is what the 35 stands for 350, 35 horsepower. Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna put this on YouTube and then send a link to him so he can look at the tractor. And I'm gonna try to work up a trade, I guess. They could use some paint. I just wanted to paint it. Like I said, I'm not real happy with the cover, but it does work. So shut it down. Turn off the key, shuts off all the electric, and pull out the kill. Well, this is Gary signing off. Thanks for watching my videos. Long 350 tractor, working up a trade.